Hello everyone, welcome to Question with Answer, and day 11 for Python interview question and answer for 2025. If you haven't watched previous videos, please watch it. You can find link in description below. So, whether you're preparing for an upcoming interview or just looking to sharpen your coding skills, this video is absolutely for you. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. Can we pass a function as an argument in Python? Answer: yes, in Python, we can pass a function as an argument to another function. This is possible because functions in Python are first-class objects, meaning they can be assigned to variables, stored in data structures, and passed as arguments to other functions just like any other object, for example, integers, strings, or lists. How does it work? When we pass a function as an argument, the receiving function can execute that function at a later time. This is particularly useful for implementing higher-order functions, callbacks, and functional programming paradigms. This is the first example of passing a function as an argument. In this example, the greet function is passed as an argument to execute_function, which then calls it with the value Alice. This is the second example of passing a function as an argument using functions in higher-order functions. A higher-order function either takes a function as an argument or returns a function. Python's built-in map and filter functions are good examples. Here, the square function is passed to map, which applies it to each element in the numbers list. And here is the another example using lambda functions. Instead of defining a separate function, we can use lambda functions or anonymous functions. Passing functions as arguments makes Python more flexible and allows for powerful programming techniques like callbacks, decorators, and functional programming. This feature is extensively used in libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, and Django, making Python a great choice for data science, web development, and automation. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.